Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Blue Square SEO and Digital Marketing Podcast. I'm your host Paul Burkett from Blue Square Management, and in today's podcast I'm going to be talking about the simple 6 steps to creating the perfect sales video for your business. Videos become a must-have tool for online and offline businesses in their sales strategy. However, most business owners often don't know how to create a perfect sales video, and this video tries to break down a sales video into its essential parts so that any business owner can create one for their products or services. 1. Have an introduction. It's always good to start by introducing yourself and your business. Never dive straight into your sales pitch, as that will immediately turn off your prospects. People like to buy from people they know and trust. So, by introducing yourself and your business first, you will have scored points with your prospects. 2. What's the problem? The next thing to do is to talk about the problem your prospect may be having that your product or service solves. At this stage, you just want to talk about the problem and not your product. Based on your market research, you should know the exact pains and frustrations your prospect is experiencing with the problem. A great way to identify with their problem is to relate to a personal story of your own where you have experienced the same problem. 3. What's the solution? The next thing to do is to present a hypothetical solution to your prospect. You stir up their desire for a solution to their problem by presenting a what-if solution theory. For example, maybe their problem has been having to drive across town to attend night school. Your what-if solution theory could be, what if you could attend night school from the comfort of your own home? 4. Present your product. This is when to actually introduce your product and service into the video message. Having identified with your prospect's pain and aroused their desire for a solution, you can now showcase your product and its benefits. 5. The call to action. This part of the video is when you tell your prospect what to do to access your product or service. You tell them how, when and where to get your product or service, whether online or offline. 6. Repeat your call to action. The final part of a video is to back up your call to action with a justifiable reason, such as special price offer or limited availability to your offer. You can also read client testimonials or include their videos in your message. All this helps to repeat and emphasize your call to action. Hope you found this episode helpful, and see you in the next Blue Square SEO and Digital Marketing podcast. To keep you up to date with our latest podcasts, you can follow us on Anchor.fm, Spotify and Apple Podcast. Blue Square Management have created a free monthly digital marketing magazine that aims to help small businesses get more customers, clients or patients, increase your sales and help grow your business. It provides useful hints and tips on all online marketing topics, including SEO, pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing, review and reputation management, video marketing, web design, and much more. To get this free digital marketing magazine sent to your email inbox each month, just go to www.bluesquaremanagement.com and subscribe.